What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
What is it? There it is. Oh, no, she's off.
What are you looking at, doggies? What did we get? What is it? What is it?
I tell you, sneaky bastard, smash, sneaky bastard, smash.
I'm kind of short-legged.
Oh man, it's even got the steel bumpers. Would you look at that? Look what's finally at the house again.
No, that's nice.
Dang.
How did you drive up?
It was good.
Is it right?
Yeah, the roads were all clear. I was worried about it.
Yeah, that's what he said. I was like, I know they're.
Man, it's even got the steel bumpers.
About 14 miles out, it started snowing, and by the time I got into town, the roads were covered.
Oh yeah.
So I was a little concerned.
Guys, look at this. Oh my.
Okay.
Guys, look at this. I'll explain in a second, but let's just take this in. White Ruby JL. Is the V6 or the 4-cylinder turbo?
It's a V6.
Okay, cool. Steel bumper upgrade. You can take these end caps off. It's already winch ready. Oh!
It's pretty much like has everything that you.
It is a loaded out Rubicon. Even has the paint to match top, paint to match fenders, upgraded LED lights, leather nav. I think it's the 8-inch screen or the 8.4, whatever the largest screen is. Oh my Lanta. Oof. Front and rear lockers, which will never be used. You got the media hub. Man. World's tiniest center console.
Yep.
This is sweet.
It's so sweet. It's so perfect. This is tiny too. Everything's like mini.
Everything's tiny. Sway bar disconnect, heated seats, heated steering wheel.
Yep.
Automatic, whatever you want to call it, turns off and on at the stoplight to save gas.
Got the bigger screen.
Big screen. Oof. Man.
Wait, you gotta hear it start.
Ooh, the cold start on the V6. Damn. Ah, that's sick. That is sick. Yeah, it's cool. Little willies on there.
Yeah.
Wow, wow.
Ooh, backup cam.
Damn, look at the backup cam right off the spare tire. Sick.
Shit.
All your buttons up there. SOS. Seth, help. Look at that 3-piece removable hardtop. Woof, that's nice. And seeing the they already got sound deadening up there.
Yep.
And the old ones never
We
had
had
that.
to do that in ours.
They did, yeah, they did that aftermarket. That's nice. That's
Already got rubber mats, which is
real
really
nice. Oh, so it's got the cold weather package. Look at that, nice rubber mats. Man, she's loaded. Show you guys how much room is back there.
Not a lot.
Bigger than my 2-door I had, slightly. They
Really?
extended it a little bit. Is what I
Yeah,
read.
like 2 inches or something.
Yeah. Damn. Some nice seats though. Leather's nice.
Yeah.
Ooh wee, this is sick. Upgraded headlights. Oh man. 140 miles. Man, this is so impressive. So this is the last time you guys will ever see the diesel on the channel. It is going bye-bye. Badass truck. Honestly, the dopest truck we've ever had. I love this truck.
3 years.
Alright guys, let me explain what went on today. I just made this part, but now I gotta remake it because the damn truck was so loud in the background. But this is actually Rachel's Jeep. She traded her truck in for this. She didn't want a truck anymore. The Trackhawk can tow the Hellcat or the Demon separately by itself if they have a lightweight open trailer, so they're probably going to get rid of the trailer too. They're kind of just downsizing for stuff they don't really need, and Rachel doesn't really like driving around the big truck anymore. It's, you know, it's hard to park. It's a big vehicle. It's a mega cab 2500. It's lifted. It's just a big vehicle to be driving around daily, which is partially the reason why I downsized to my half ton. And they looked at half tons, but she wants something even smaller. So she wanted a Jeep, and she wanted the Jeep Wrangler, and she actually wanted the two-door. So she got the two-door. This thing is so sick. It is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon, spec'd out to the max. It has everything. It's got leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel, automatic stop-start, navigation, backup camera, the larger screen, the steel bumper upgrade, the LED light upgrade. It has got everything. It is the V6. It's not the 4-cylinder turbo. Sway bar disconnect, front and rear lockers, media hub. I mean, literally everything you can get. They got 3-piece hardtop paint to match, fender flares paint to match. I mean, it is everything. I'm super jealous. I've really wanted one, but I really like actually having a truck as a daily, and I'll probably make a video over that, or I'll describe it in another video. But this is a little bit smaller inside, and I really like how large a truck is for daily driving. That's part of the reason why I got rid of my Jeep in the first place, because I daily drive it, and it's more comfortable to daily drive a truck to me, or something larger like a Trackhawk. But this thing is sick. It's badass. She wanted this. She wants something smaller, and I think it's the perfect vehicle to drive around town if you want a smaller vehicle, but still have all the options, because a JK is really outdated compared to these. Now, some people still prefer the JK, but if you want an upgraded interior with a good sound system, a better screen, all the amenities of kind of like a Grand Cherokee, but still have the Wrangler feel, this is the way to go. They obviously are a lot more expensive than the JKs were, but this thing is badass. It's got so many amenities. It's really cool. Probably make a few videos over it. They own it. They bought it. So it's here at the house, so I can make plenty of videos over it. It's unfortunately not mine, but I can drive it. I can make some videos on it. And Rachel's staring at me like, get out of the driver's seat, fool. That's my Jeep. But I'm jealous!
Damn, they come stock with those?
I think that's part of the cold weather package, probably.
Oh, okay.
But make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you think Kennedy should get one of these. I really think she should. These are badass. And I'm super jealous. And they want to go drive it, so I'm going to get out of this thing.
Oh, you can hop in the back.
I'm too big for that. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Backwood lit, is this pushing heavy